Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And today, this is a different kind of video. Today, I'm not really cooking anything, but what I have here is just some lemon and ginger and garlic that I boiled, and I'm just going to drink some for my breakfast and sweeten it with some honey. So that's what's happening this morning on Tuesday the 29th of December. So my sister is in Jamaica. We were supposed to be in Jamaica together and things didn't work out according to plan, so she ended up going on her own. But what she has sent me is some clips from the country life in Jamaica, which I'm going to share with you so you guys can compare the difference with what's going on in Jamaica and what it's like in London at the moment. So I'm just going to show you guys outside my house. See, there's no greenery, everything is all dried up. Well, there's a bit of greenery but not much. It's all, you see how bleaky it looks, how dull everything is. Yeah, but that's what it's like for me in London at the moment. That's outside of my window. I mean, it's to me this is a beautiful view still, although it's all dried and thing, but I think it's still pretty. Let me see if I can zoom. Yeah. But when I insert the clip of Jamaica, you'll see the difference. So today is Tuesday the 29th of December, and the video clips that I'm going to be inserting of my sister and the country life in Jamaica was filmed on the 28th of December. So it's a different kind of video, but enjoy, guys. I'm drinking up my ginger, lemon and garlic tea. But yes, I know I said there's not much greenery going on in London at the moment, but inside my house I got my few babies that I love, and they are looking beautiful. That's my money plant, my snake plant, and this little one there. And my favorite, I got this from Marks and Spencer for £3, and it was so tiny, and I'm just so proud of it now. It's just flourishing and it looks pretty. So yes, outside dull. Oops, what's that flashing? Outside is dull, but at least I got these beauties inside. Yep, my babies. Anyways, guys, take care. I'm gonna insert the video of Jamaica country life. Enjoy. Hello.
Farming is very good. There's nothing wrong with farming. You know, see, now the last days of farming, I did thing now. Exactly. Farming and livestock is the best thing. Yes. The countryside is so pretty. Daddy's fertilizing his crop. What type of fertilizer do you use? And he's burning the fires to get rid of the bush or the weeds, and also to keep bugs away. There's a lot of bugs, a lot of mosquito, a lot of batlass, whatever that is. Daddy said batlass is biting me, because stuff biting me. I just keep seeing blood on my leg. Daddy says it's not mosquito, it's batlass. Don't know what it is, but it's biting me. Yeah, but I swear to you, it is literally so beautiful, So pretty, so gorgeous. Yes, nature is life. I'm going down to see the pigs, but I'm very scared because I think there might be frogs down there. But my dad's saying, no, they're only out at night. But I'm telling him, I've seen them in the daytime before. So you just leave these here from the other day? Hmm? Before you did give them to me? Of course. I'm very good at peeling banana. Mm. This is a big one. Why you do that? Daddy just licked the pig. That's abuse. This one looks very tasty. So when I'm back, I want to eat you. Yes. You're the one I want to eat. The one I look like it nice, the brown one. And him too. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's being so naughty. Did you see what he did? But he's the baby.
So people, me soon go Jamaica, kill chicken, record the country life and cook pan wood fire if you know. Bye.